Hello guys, good afternoon. Good afternoon dito sa UK guys. Ang time ngayon ay 2 o'clock in the afternoon. So, good evening in the Philippines or midnight. Ngayon ay pupunta kami ni Sandrine sa friend niya. Mag-meet sila sa Soft Play. So, 2:30 sila mag-meet kaya pupunta kami. Samahan niyo kami guys. Ayan si Sandrine Yan si Sandrine guys, naka-bicycle para hindi siya maano maglakad. Kasi medyo malayo-layo kasi sa amin. So, she's riding bicycle. Yan ang view. Ito yung lake. Yes, there's a lot of wishing flower here.
And there's even pine cones. There's even pine cones. Mommy, there's even pine cones.
Ang ganda ng view dito guys. Diyan sana paglalapit tayo pero hindi na tayo lalapit kasi late na kami. 2:30 pa naman yung 2:30 the mom of her classmate best friend na nakaset. So ayoko naman na nung nakaraan, the last time we went also here, we are late. So teacher din kasi yung it's a teacher, her classmate mom is still a girl. She's a girl, so but a bit shy guys, pero mahihain talaga ako, but I don't have choice. Iniiwanan ako guys. Ayan yung wildflower everywhere guys. Look. Yung bluebills. Ito yung bluebills. Ayan. May white bills din. Doon yung white. Hindi masyadong marami. Yung blue is mostly a lot. Ayan siya. Summer is coming. Hindi na malamigan. Pero nakakuta ako in case kasi UK weather is crazy. Kaya hindi mo masabing may summer ang UK. So you need to protect yourself from cold. May park dito. Go na. Huh? No. Who is that? Matt. Is your classmate? I'm taking this video guys for Sandrine's update. Meron akong video pa na nakuha last time but I didn't have the time to edit and upload. It's not a baby.
Okay, I thought it was a baby.
May kumanta. Okay, don't stand up. And guys, malapit na kami sa sa Soft Play. Mahalang bayad guys sa loob, mga yata 4 pounds for until I think until 5 o'clock or 4 o'clock. So okay lang. Kasi hindi, lalakarin lang naman namin, hindi naman kami nag-ano. We didn't pay the transport, so just walk. Nauna na si Sandrine. Sandrine's leave me. Dito sa Yuki guys, you don't know the place. If you don't know the place where you're going, so hindi mo, you don't know it's what? It's your destination is that this there. Kasi ano yung tago, hiding. Ito ha? I think it's not yet. Dito kami guys. Yeah. Bisikleta. Wait, Sandrine. Ayan guys, pauwi na kami. Kasi na-aksidente si Sandrine. Natuto yung yung mouth. Nag-blood. Hey, na. After green na, blow it. That full. Find the full one. You park the bike. Come on here. Unang nagpaalam yung guys, yung friend ni Sandrine. Pero nauna kaming umuwi kasi nagpunta pa silang mag-ina ng bumalik sa soft play area kasi nag-iyata. So, yeah, go park your bicycle here first. Yun, nakita namin dito sa loob ng park yung mag-ama naman niya. So, matanda na, may edad na kasi yung yung panganay niya, mga 8 na yata, 7. So, hindi na pinag-play. Yeah! Woo! Hindi na pwedeng sumama sa soft play kasi malaki na, mabigat na. So, dinala, ang tatay naman ang nagdala. So, yung sa ina, yung sa mother is yung ni Sandrine. Kaklase niya na friend. Ayan na, yung niya. Mouth niya. It's not listen. I said here, because it's hide the monkey bar. Not listening. So what is happened to you? Huh? If what happened is the head is stick, what happened? So nauna pa kami guys na umuwi sa friend niya. Ito yung park. Actually malawak din ito na park. Medyo malawak din ito. Wait. Ano siya? Kaya pinauwi ko na kasi ang para hindi na sa park maglaro kasi na nga nag-blood na. Buti may tissue akong dala. Yan yung bluebills. Isa bluebills na. Yan, paano na kami sa kalsada. Lotus still on the softly buildings. Come on. See you in the house, guys. Maghirap siya, magtulak. Push it. Kababa naman, guys. Quickly. Well done. Nalo ako, guys. But this is the main road in our place. Closer to our house. Ganda niya, ha? White naman ito, guys. White. Go. Hurry up. When we come home?